Hey podcasters, this is Keith from Podpal. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a new episode in Podpal. Throughout the video, we'll be covering how to change your episode artwork, fill out your episode details, and schedule your release date. Okay, let's get started. After you've added the podcast to Podpal, there are multiple ways to add an episode. From the My Podcast page, you can click the three dots on any podcast and select Add Episode. You can also click the Add Episode button in the sidebar from anywhere in the app. For each episode you create, you have the option to use your podcast artwork or upload a custom design that will show up for this episode only. Make sure to title your episode and give it a sequential episode number so it can fall in the correct order. If you chose for your podcast to be ordered by seasons, then make sure to add the correct season number to this episode. You have the option to add a custom label to each episode as well, so you can categorize your content even further. This label is only used in Podpal and will not be visible to podcast platforms. Select your episode type so podcast platforms know how to organize and order your content. And if you need to learn more about a specific item, you can always click on any question mark icon to get more information. Now it's time to upload our episode recording. Podpal takes common audio formats like M4A and MP3 and several video formats. We store your uploads for you, so if you've added other files before, you have the option to connect them to this episode by selecting My Recordings. And to upload from your device, select My Computer. If you're still preparing your episode, don't worry, you can add your final recordings to your episode later. Next, use Podpal Scheduler to choose a target release date and time. When you schedule to publish for later, your episode card will let you know how many days you have left until release. If you've published an episode in the past, you can find the date and time under Last Published and select Modify Date to make any changes to the published date. After publishing, you'll have access to the episode URL, which links you directly to the episode's page in Podpal. This includes a media player and your show notes, so share this with friends and fans so they can listen to your awesome content. Click Add Episode and you're all done. From here, you can jump right into episode planning by clicking Manage Episode or exit to the dashboard and see all the episodes you've added in Podpal. You don't have to have all of your episode information ready to add episodes to your dashboard, and we'll make sure to let you know if you're missing anything before your content goes live. Okay, that's all. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials so you can become a Podpal expert. And remember, you can always click on any question mark icon or visit our Help Center to learn more about Podpal's features.